Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your link on Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. So when you open up Monopoly Go here, you'll be redirected to your port. So how do we find our link in Monopoly Go? So to find our link, we first have to go ahead and choose friends at the bottom right of your screen, and you're going to click on that. This option will appear on your screen. Now in this section, you'll be able to add friends. Now typically when we want to look for a link, or if you want to share your link, we want to go to the add friends section, and we also have the option there that says invite. So just click on the invite button that you see at the bottom center of your screen, and from here you could choose either of the options here. Now if you choose the Facebook invite, you'll be redirected to Messenger, and from there you could go ahead and start inviting your friends. So the link itself will be redirected or automatically sent to your friend. Now if in this case you want to have a physical, or you want to have the actual link for your game, well, what you have to do here is you need to click on the invite just above Facebook. So that's the first invite there. Just click on it, and from here you could choose any option here. So in this case you could choose Discord notes or other of the application here. But what I like to use, so the guarantee link will actually appear on my screen, is via the notes application. So when you click on notes here, it's going to create this note here. It's going to say play Monopoly Go with me and download it, and from there you see the link. Now from here what you need to do is just press and hold on that link, and if you want to copy it, just click on copy, and from there you should now have your link in Monopoly Go. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.